Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding photos on iOS 16. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To hide a photo, open up the Photos app and open the photo that you would like to hide. Tap the three dots button in the top right, then tap Hide from the resulting menu. Tap Hide Photo on the pop-up. You can hide multiple photos at once by tapping Select from the top right, and then selecting the photos that you would like to hide. Once they are all selected, tap the three dots button in the bottom right. Tap Hide from the menu. Then tap Hide Photos on the pop-up. To get to your Hidden Photos folder, tap Albums at the bottom of the Photos app. Scroll all the way to the bottom of Albums and you will see Hidden. When you select it, the Face ID will unlock it, or you will have to enter your password depending on your lock type. You can unhide photos from here by opening the photo, tapping the three dots button in the top right, then choosing Unhide from the menu. When you leave the hidden album, it will automatically lock itself. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.